Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation on Black Shark Pad 7. Simply check whether the auto rotation is enabled by swiping down the control center and checking the style. If it's colored blue, then you should be able to rotate your screen by tilting your device's display in different directions. And if this feature isn't working, then check whether your device is updated. Scroll down to System. In Settings, then go to System Updates and check for available ones. If you do have the latest version installed, then we can simply restart the tablet and it should resolve the issue. To restart your tablet, press power button or power button with volume up key. Tap Restart and wait until your device is relaunched. After the restart, the issue should be resolved, but if you're still experiencing it, then what you can do is open the safe mode on your device to check whether any third-party applications are affecting this feature. To do that, simply hold down the power button or power button with volume up key to open the same power menu, and after that you're gonna have to hold your finger down on the power off option until you see this message. Here you have to tap OK and wait until your device is restarted into the safe mode. Here in the safe mode, unlock your device once again. Let the interface fully load. May take a while. Make sure that auto rotation is enabled in the control center. Try rotating your screen, and if it started to work, then it definitely means that some third-party application was affecting the way that your auto rotation, basically your gyroscope, behaved, and you're gonna have to check your applications list in the settings and check which one it could have been and simply delete it from your tablet. But if you still cannot use the auto rotation on your tablet even in safe mode, then you definitely should reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and get your device repaired, because there must be some issue with the gyroscope within this device. Now, to restart your device back to the normal mode, press power button and volume up key at the same time, then select restart and reboot your device. After the restart, it will boot in the normal mode once again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.